Here you can see sawtooth grain beetle. Here you can see. So it's very common in grains, very common in pulses, and particularly in dry dates. Here can you see the damage. You can find this activity of this sawtooth grain beetle. Oryzophilus surinamensis it's a coleopteran. It's adult that is also and its larva grub. They both are doing the damage. So this is sawtooth grain beetle. So it's doing damage in pulses, in dry fruits. Here you can see everything is vanished inside the dry date. So this is the damage. It's also doing damage in the split chickpea. So this is Oryzophilus surinamensis. Another very notorious insect, that is Graham Dora or pulse beetle. Calosobruchus carensis. Its family is Bruchidae, and it's also here you can see its damage. It's very severe. You can find this adult coming out of the hole of the chickpea grain, and both the larva or the grub or the adult, they are doing damage inside, and there are so many holes. And here you can see this this is hollow from inside. Only the testa is there. From inside there is nothing, no cartilagens. It's complete damage. Here you can see also no cartilagens inside, only the outer covering of the, and these are the dead adults, because it's a somewhat old sample, and these are the adults. They are from inside the grain. So all these grains are hollow from inside, no cartilagens, and this is the damage of this pulse beetle. Another very important insect, that is of this is the rice weevil. Here you can see rice weevil. It has very long snout like elephant. Here you can see this is yes. So this is mixed culture, but this particular insect, this one, it's dead, but there are some live rice weevils. Here you can see long snout. Here, if that's visible, it's very long snout, and it's doing damage in rice, in corn, and in some pulses also. So this rice weevil, that is also very notorious and doing economic damage to our stored commodities. So briefly, we can conclude that all these stored grain insect pests, they are doing significant economic damage, particularly the grain moth in wheat grains, in corn, stored corn, in you can say in some pulses. Similarly, these Oryzophilus surinamensis or the sawtooth grain beetle in dry fruits, and some split pulses or the chickpea. Similarly, pulse beetle or the Dora in the chickpea, red floor beetle in the wheat grains and in the flour, and another one, rice weevil, that is doing significant or economic damage in rice grains. So this is all about the brief introduction about the mode of damage of the stored grain insect pests. Thank you very much.